morning students. Once again, welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our exercise 10.4. In this exercise we have addition and subtraction of time. Okay. So today we will do addition and subtraction of time. So let me start how we will do. Now exercise 10.4 question 1 is there. Add the following measures of time. So here you will do addition. Clear? So A part is there 7 hours 44 minutes and 6 hours 6 minutes. So first of all we should put the column of hours and minutes. So hours in short we write HRS. Okay, and minutes we write in short MIN. Okay, firstly we will take the column of hours and minutes. You will take here capital N. Okay, hours and minutes. Now here we have 7 hours. So in hours column we should write 7 and in minute 44. Then plus 6 hours 6 minutes. So in hours we write 6, in minutes we write 6. So we write here 0 6 because there is 2 digits given. So write here 0 6. Now how we will do addition? Like the simple addition. In minutes we will add minutes and in hours we will add hours. Okay. So like the simple addition we will do addition here. Now 4 plus 6 10, 1 goes carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 0 5. Okay. Now 7 plus 6 13. So in hours we add hours, in minutes we will add minutes. Okay. Now we will check that how many minutes are there. So there is 50 minutes. Till 59 we will keep in the minutes. But as we know that if we have 60 minutes, so that 60 minutes will go in the hour. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So in that condition we will give 60 minutes to the hour. So that will go in the hour and we reduce 60 from the minutes. But here we can see that only 50 minutes is there. So this is our final answer. So the sum is 13 hours 50 minutes. That's our answer. Okay. 13 hours and 50 minutes. Now it's the B part. In B part we have 8 hours 27 minutes and 5 hours 48 minutes. So again we should put the columns. Here we will write hours, HRS, minutes, MIN. And for second we write SEC in short. So 8 hours. In hours we will take 8. And then 27 minutes. Okay. Then plus 5 hours. 5 hours 48 minutes. Now we add this. So now 8 plus 7 15. 1 goes carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. Now we add hours. 8 plus 5 13. Now we should check how many minutes are there. We will see that there is 75 minutes. But as we know that if we have 60 minutes, so 60 minutes make 1 hour. And there is more than 60. That means we will give 1 carry to the hour. And we reduce 60 minutes from the minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Whenever you have 60 and more than 60 in the minutes, so we will give 1 carry to the hour. Okay. So now we will reduce 60 from here. Reduce 60 means minus 60. And then 60 minutes come in the 1 hour. So in hour we will do plus 1. Okay. How come it's 1? Because we reduce from here 60 minutes. And then 60 minutes make 1 hour. So from the minutes we will reduce 60 and we should add 1 in the hours. Okay. So whenever this is the special one in addition of time. Whenever you have, suppose there is hour, minute, second is also there. So if second is 60, more than 60 and 60, so you give 1 carry to the minute. Okay, then 1 carry in the minute. And when we have in minute 60 and more than 60, so that 1 carry come in the hours. Okay, we reduce 60 from the minute and we give 1 carry to the hour. The same way, if in second we have more than 60 and 60, so reduce 60 from the second and we give 1 carry to the minute, because 60 minutes make 60 seconds make 1 minute. Okay. So now we do minus 5, 7 minus 6, 1, and here we will do plus 13 plus 1, 14. So our final answer is 14 hours and 15 minutes. Now you can see that there is less than 60. Okay. In D part you have hours, minutes and second also. So if in second you have 60 and more than 60, so give reduce 60 from the second and you will give 1 carry to the minute. And when you have in minute also more than 60, so reduce 60 from here also and we will give 1 carry to the hour. Okay. So the same way there is C and D part also, that you will do yourself. Now we write its answer also. So the sum is 14 hours 15 minutes. That's your answer. Okay. So like this we will do. You will do it C and D part yourself. Now we will do question number 2. Now question number 2. Subtract the following measures of time. So here we will do subtraction. So subtraction of time is also like the simple subtraction. But when we take borrowing, so we will keep in our mind that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So that we have to keep in our mind. So now A part is there, 3 hours 26 minutes from 8 hours 11 minutes. Okay. So here is given from. So from what we have, after from number we write up and before from is down. Okay. So we put our column here, hours, minutes. Now when you are doing subtraction, so firstly you will leave some space outside, because if we take borrowing, so in that space we can write easily. Okay. So leave some space and then we will do subtraction. So after from we have 8 hours and 11 minutes. So we write here 8 hours 11 minutes. Okay. Now we subtract 3 hours 26 minutes. So we write here 3 hours 26 minutes. Now we do subtraction here. So first of all, whenever you do subtraction, you will check that from minutes we can subtract minute or not. Okay, minutes में से minutes minus हो सकती है कि नहीं, that we have to check. Okay, so now we can see that upside we have 11 minutes and downside we have 26 minutes. So from 11 26 cannot be subtracted. 11 में से हम 26 को minus नहीं कर सकते. So in that condition we will take borrowing from the hours. Okay, so firstly we will check completely. आपको ये नहीं करना कि आपने ones के column को minus कर लिया, फिर tens को कर रहे हो और फिर आप borrowing ले रहे हो. नहीं, firstly we will check complete minute can be subtracted or not. Now here we can get that we can't subtract. So in that condition we will take borrowing from the hours. So here is 8 hours. So we will take borrowing from this hour. So there will be 7. And as we know that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So there will come 60 and 11 minute is already here. So that 11 will plus in 60. So now 11 plus 60, because we take 1 hour in the minute. So 11 plus 60, that's become 71. So we cut this complete and we write here 71. Okay. Now we can subtract easily. From 71 we can subtract 26. Okay. So now we will do minus. Now from 1 we can subtract 6. So there will be 11. 11 minus 6, 5. And now there is 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. So 71 minus 26, that's become 45. Now here 7 minus 3, that's 4. So our answer is 4 hours 45 minutes. Okay. Clear? So that's the difference. So the difference is 4 hours 45 minutes. That's the answer. So like this you will do subtraction. Clear? Now it's a B part. In B part what we have? 3 hours 45 minutes from 5 hours. After from we have 5 hours. Again we put the column hours, minute. Okay. Now here is 5 hours and there is no minute. So at the place of minute we will take 0, 0. So in hours 5 and minutes 0, 0. Okay. Now minus 3 hours 45 minutes. So in hours we will take 3, minutes we will take 45. Now we will do subtraction. Now we can see that from 0 minutes we can't subtract 45. 0 में से 45 minus नहीं होगा. So in that condition we will take borrowing from the hour. As we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. So we will take 1 hour in the minute. So there will be 4 hours and 1 hour come in the minute. So there is 60. And already there is 0, 0. So 0 plus 60, that's 60. So at the place of 0 there will be 60 minutes. Now we can subtract 45 from 60. So now we will do subtraction. So 10 minus 5, 5. And 5 minus 4, 1. Now 4 minus 3, 1. So it's become 1 hour 15 minutes. So the difference is 1 hour 1 is only hour and 15 minute. 1 hour 15 minute. Okay, that's your answer. So same way you will do it C and D part also. That's also same like A and B. Now we'll do question number 3. Now question number 3. Fill the missing entries in the table given below. In your book there is a table and in that you have to fill. But you will not do like a fill up. Okay, you will solve the question. Because without solving you will not get the answer. So for that we require the solving. Okay. So we will solve the question. We will not do like the fill-ups. So A part is here. There is given starting time and ending time. Starting time is 12:25 p.m. and ending time is 4:15 p.m. So whenever we find the duration, always duration means how much time is between these two activity. Okay. Starting how much time we take for this activity, not two activity, there is only one activity. Okay, so how much time take this activity? So there is given starting also and ending also. हम कोई भी वर्क जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम उसको फिनिश भी करते हैं. तो उसके बीच में जैसे हमने कोई भी एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट की, कोई भी वर्क स्टार्ट किया, स्कूल आए, हम कहीं पे भी कोई भी वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो फर्स्टली वी स्टार्ट एंड देन दैट एंड. ओके, so how much time that take, that is called duration. How for doing that activity, वो जो work है उसको करने में कितना हमें time लगा, that is known as duration. Okay, so how we will find? We will in this type question, whenever we find the duration, we always do subtraction. And how we will subtract? Finishing minus starting means ending minus starting. Because as we know that work start in first and end after that. So ending time always big and starting time always small. Okay. So that's easy. Whenever we do subtraction, we change the time into 24 hours clock. Okay. हम जो टाइम है उसको 24 hours clock में चेंज करके फिर हम उसका subtraction करें. Clear? So now here is given starting time 12:25 p.m. and ending time 4:15 p.m. So as we know that 4:15 is big and 12:25 is small. But you can see that there is 12 hours and there is 4. But as we know that 12:25 is 12 noon and 4 p.m. is in evening. So that means 12 and hours of AM is also there. So that 12 hours also include here. So 12 plus 4 there is 16 hours. Okay. So ending is big and starting is small. So now we find here duration. So ending time is 4:15 p.m. Now we change it into the 24 hours clock. So when we change it into 24 hours clock, so it become 12 hours we add here because this is PM. So 12 plus 4, 16 hours and 15 minutes. And that's it, hours. We write here hours. Okay. Now starting time is 12:25 PM. 12:25 PM. 12:25 PM means PM is start because after 12 PM start. Okay, so now PM is start. Only 12 hours has gone of the day. So it will be remain same. 12 hours 25 minutes. 12:25 hours. Now we find its duration. So how we will find duration? By the subtraction. So here we will find the duration. So as we know that these two digit of the minutes and these two digit of the hours. Okay. So firstly we subtract minutes and then we will subtract hours. So we will see that there is 25 minutes and there is 15. So from 15 we can't subtract 25. So for that we will take borrowing from the hours. So in hours we have 16 hours. Okay. So we will take borrowing from here. So there will be 15 hours. Okay. 1 hour we will give borrowing in the minutes. Okay. So already 15 minutes is there and 1 hour makes 60 minutes. So 60 plus 15, that's 75. Okay. Because 60 we take from the hour and 15 is already here, so it's become 75. Now we can do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0 and 7 minus 2, 5. Now 5 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. That means duration always comes in the hours and minutes. So 3 hours and 50 minutes. क्योंकि कोई भी हम वर्क करते हैं या तो हम आवर्स में करते हैं या मिनट्स में करते हैं या फिर दोनों लगते हैं हमारे पास, आवर्स ऑल्सो and minutes also, both thing we use for that. So that means there is 3 hours and 50 minutes. So what's our time? Duration is 3 hours 50 minutes. That's our answer. Clear? That's the answer. Same way now we'll do its B part also. B part. Here is given starting time and duration. Okay. In this we have starting time and duration. Duration means how much time take this activity. So starting time is given here 3:45 PM and duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. मतलब कोई वर्क जो है वो 3:45 पे start हुआ है and that take 2 hours and 30 minutes to complete that activity. Means 2 hours 30 minutes बाद वो finish होगा. So for the ending we will do plus, क्योंकि हमें प्लस करना पड़ेगा. स्टार्ट ये इस टाइम हुआ है, फिनिश 2 hours 30 minutes के बाद ही फिनिश होगा जो ड्यूरेशन उसमें लग रहा है, तो एंड तो इसके बाद ही होगा. सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू आफ्टर के लिए हम क्या करेंगे प्लस. सो विल डू प्लस here. So here is 3:45 PM. Okay. Now here is given 2 hours 30 minutes. So in hours we will add 2 and in minutes we will add 30. Okay. Now we add these. So 5, 4 plus 3, 7 and 3 plus 2, 5. Now we can see that there is 75 minutes. So as I told you that in the question number 1 we have done, whenever we have more than 60, so that's minutes coming in the hour. So here is 75, so we'll give 60 minutes to the hour. So we'll do minus 60 from here and that 60 minutes come in the hour. So in hour we'll do plus 1. So now there is 5, there is 7 minus 6, 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So it's become 6:15 PM. Why it is PM? Because our work started at 3:45 and there is in between there is no 12. 12 नहीं है यहाँ पे बीच में. Okay, if there is come 12, so it's changed. PM will change into AM and AM will change into PM. If there is come in between there 12, but there is no 12. So that means this is यहाँ से 3 से हम 6 पे आए हैं. That means there is only PM. Okay. Same way your D part also that you will do yourself. Okay. D part आप खुद करेंगे. So now ending time is 6:15 PM. We write here 6:15 PM. इसके डी पार्ट में भी सेम है आपके पास. In that also you have starting time and duration, so that you will do yourself. Now we'll do C part also. Now C part, here is given ending time and duration. Okay, ending time दे रखा है आपको, duration दे रखा है, and you have to find here starting time. So start हम पहले करते before and end in after. Okay, so here we have to find the before time, means starting time. So for before we will do minus, for after we do plus. So starting is before, so that means we will do here minus. Now you can see that ending time, this is given in 24 hours clock, 15 hours. That means we should give answer also in 24 hours clock. Now duration is 4 hours 25 minutes. So we will subtract 4 hours 25 minutes from 15 hours. So we will get our starting time. So we will start here 15:00 hours, means 15 hours 00 minutes. Now we will subtract 4 hours 25 minutes. So down of hours we will write 4 and down of minutes we will write 25. We will subtract this. Okay, so now upside there is 00 minutes and there is 25. So we can't subtract, so in that condition we will take borrowing. So there is 15 hours we will take borrowing, so there will be 14 hours and 1 hour makes 60 minutes. So and already there is 00, so 0 plus 60, that's it, 60. So there will be 60. Okay, now we can do subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 14 minus 4, that's it, 10. So 10 hours and 35 minutes. So 10:35 hours, because we give answer in 24 hours clock. So that's our answer, 10:35 hours. So we write here starting time is 10:35 hours and that finish at 15 hours, and this is our duration. Okay, it's D part you will do yourself because that is like the B part. Now we'll do question number 4. Question number 4. Solve the following. Here is word problems are given to you that you have to solve. Okay, A part is there. The train was to leave at 9:15 p.m. ट्रेन थी, उसको लीव मतलब चलना था, स्टेशन को छोड़ना था, कितने पे, 9:15 p.m. पे. ओके, इट लेफ्ट 1 hour 45 minutes लेट, लेकिन इसने 1 hour 45 minutes लेट उसको छोड़ा स्टेशन को. ओके, मीन्स उसका टाइम तो था 9:15 बट दैट वाज लेट 1 hour 45 minutes. लेट हो गई तो इसका मतलब वो बाद में चलेगी, है ना, आफ्टर हो गया, because that time is 9:15 but it was late. So whenever we late, that means that is after. So at what time did it leave? So at what time did it leave means वो किस टाइम पे अब छोड़ेगी. Okay, so for that what will we do? We will do plus. So 9:15 p.m. plus 1 hour 45 minutes. So here we will do plus 9:15. First sentence तो हमारा हो गया, that train was to leave at. Okay, was to leave at 9:15 p.m. Then it was late 1 hour 45 minutes. So it was leave at, किस टाइम पे छोड़ेगी. Okay, so for that 9:15 p.m. plus 1 hour 45 minutes. So in hour 1 in minutes 45. Now we will do plus. Okay, so 5 plus 5 0, 1 goes carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 6 and there is 9 plus 1 10. Now we can see that there is 60 minutes and whenever we have 60 and more than 60, so we give 1 carry to the hour. Okay, so now minus 60 from here from the minutes and we will add 1 in the hour. Okay, so now 60 minus 60, that's it, 0 and there is 10 plus 1 11. That means it was leave at 11 p.m. Okay, इसको जाना तो था 9:15 पे लेकिन ये गई कितने पे, 11 p.m. That's your answer. So it was leave at 11 p.m. Okay, late होने के कारण that was late, so that's why it's gone at 11 p.m. That's your answer. Now we will do its B part. Now B part. The party was to begin at 4:45 PM. पार्टी जो है वो स्टार्ट होने वाली थी, बिगिन मीन्स स्टार्ट होना, स्टार्ट होने वाली थी 4:45 PM पे. ओके. नीना रीच्ड हाफ एन आवर अर्ली फॉर द पार्टी. नीना जो है पार्टी के लिए हाफ एन आवर मीन्स 30 मिनट्स. हाफ एन आवर मीन्स 30 मिनट्स. 1 hour का हाफ, दैट्स 30 minutes, because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So half an hour, that is 30 minutes. तो नीना जो है वो 30 मिनट्स पहले चली गई. ओके, पहले पहुंच गई. सो व्हाट टाइम डिड नीना रीच. तो नीना जो है वो किस टाइम पे पहुंची. 30 मिनट्स पहले चली गई. अब टाइम जो पार्टी स्टार्टिंग टाइम था दैट्स 4:45 PM एंड दैट्स वी रीच, नीना रीच अर्ली. अर्ली मतलब पहले, बिफोर, पहले ही पहुंच गई. बिफोर के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस. For that we will do minus. So we have to tell the time at which time she reached. So solution, first sentence, the party was to begin at. Okay, here we will not take equal symbol. Whenever we have time, so we use at for the proper time. Okay, so the party was to begin at 4:45 PM. Now Nina reached early. Nina पहले पहुंच जाती है. How much? 30 minutes before. Okay, so now Nina reached at. Now we will tell the exact time. Okay, ये तो हमें पता है 30 minutes पहले चलेगी. But what was the exact time on that? Okay, so that we have to find. So for the before we will do minus. So we have here 4:45 PM. Now before, for the before we will do minus. We have only minutes, 30 minutes. We don't have hours. So from the minutes we will do minus 30. Okay, there is no hours, so hours will be 0, nothing is there. Now 5 minus, from the 45 we can subtract 30, easily we can subtract. So we'll do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5, and 4 minus 3, that's it, 1, and there is 4. Now only 30 minutes before, so that also will be PM. So it's 4:45 PM. Okay, because the hour is same 4, that means it is also in PM. There is not, between them there is not 12. So our Nina reached at 4:15 PM. That's we write here 4:15 PM. That's our answer. Okay, now we'll do its C part. Now C part. The students of class 5th were to go for a picnic. Okay, वो एक पिकनिक पर जा रहे थे. At 9:30 AM. The time was 9:30 AM. Okay, पिकनिक पे जाने का जो टाइम था that is 9:30 AM. The bus was late by 2 hours 15 minutes. जो बस है वो लेट हो गई. Okay, टाइम तो था 9:30 पिकनिक पे जाने का, but the bus was late. How much late? 2 hours 15 minutes. 2 hours 15 minutes के लिए वो लेट हो गई. So at what time did they leave? तो अब वो किस टाइम पे चलेंगे. ओके, इस टाइम पे वो चले. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, लेट. लेट मीन्स आफ्टर. लेट हम होते हैं तो हम बाद में, लेट हो जाता है, बाद में जाते हैं. सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू आफ्टर, और फॉर आफ्टर वी विल डू प्लस. बिफोर के लिए माइनस, आफ्टर के लिए प्लस. सो वी हैव exact time is 9:30. So first sentence, the students were to go for a picnic at 9:30 AM. Then the bus was late 2 hours 15 minutes. So they will leave at. Now we will find the exact time कि किस टाइम पे वो चलेंगे. We know the duration and we know the starting time. Okay. So now 9:30 AM. Okay. And now we know the duration of late कि कितने टाइम वो लेट हुए. 2 hours and 15 minutes. So 2 hours 15 minutes. In minutes we add minutes, and in hours we will add hours. So now 5, 3 plus 1, 4, and 9 plus 2, 11. Now we can see that there is only 45 minutes. This is not 60, less than 60, so that will remain same. Now it's become 11:45. Now 11 is before 12. Okay, 9 से 11 हुए, that means that is also AM. Okay, so 11:45 AM. So they will leave at 11:45 AM. That's your answer. Okay, so like this you will do C part. That's the Answer 11:45 a.m. Okay. Now we will do its D part. Now D part. The air hostess of Egypt Airways reported for duty at 13:30 hours. As we know that at the airport we have 24 hours clock. So air hostess जो है that's reported for duty. जो air hostess है वो ड्यूटी के लिए रिपोर्ट करती है at 13:30 hours. 13:30 hours पे वो ड्यूटी के लिए रिपोर्ट करती है. Okay. She completed 8 hours of her duty, her shift. Air hostess that give their duties in the shift. Okay, 8 hours की इनकी shift होती है. So she completed 8 hours of her shift. So at what time did her shift get over? तो उसकी जो shift है, उसकी जो duty है, वो किस time पे over होगी? तो उसने start की थी 13:30 पे. So let me start our solution. The air hostess reported for duty at 13:30 hours. जो ड्यूटी के लिए रिपोर्ट करती है 13:30 hours पे. She completed 8 hours of her shift. उसने अपनी शिफ्ट के 8 hours कंप्लीट कर दिए. ओके. Then her shift get over at किस टाइम पे? अब आपको बताना है एग्जैक्ट टाइम कि किस टाइम पे ओवर हुई. तो अभी रिपोर्टिंग टाइम ये है. उसके बाद 8 hours तक वो ड्यूटी करती है तो उसके बाद ही जाएगी आफ्टर. So we'll do plus. So 13:30 hours plus 8 hours. Okay, here we will do in hours we will plus 8 minutes 0 0. Okay, now we will do addition. 0 3 8 plus 3 11. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2. So 21:30. This is 24 hours clock. So till 24 the same day will be there. So 21:30 hours. फिर उसकी जो शिफ्ट है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. 21:30 hours. So we write here 21:30 hours. Okay. So here we will write her shift get over at 21:30 hours. Clear? That's your answer. So like this our exercise is complete. Exercise 10.4 is complete. On this, after this completing exercise we have remembering days by the calendar. These remembering days by the calendar. So that also you will fill in the book. That you know very well. Okay, a year has how many days that you have to fill in the book, and these fill-ups also you will fill in the book. Okay, both pages 170 and 171. These are the days of the year. These simple fill-ups are given here. So you will watch the calendar and you will fill these all entries. Okay, so that you will do yourself. So thank you.